Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to request your account info on WhatsApp, just if you want to port it to another account one day. Really easy and simple to do. So you just want to head over to WhatsApp and open that up. Head over to your settings and then to account, and then you will see here there's a toggle for request account info. You want to click on that, and then you can click on here to request report. And all it says here is that it will take about 3 days to request your report. You'll have a few weeks to download your report after it's available, or else it'll be canceled. But this is just in case that you want to port it to another app. It'll bring over all your information and settings for you, so you don't have to redo everything. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.